and costly downtime with unmatched reliability. Take a look inside the world of Littelfuse Solid-State Relays. It's easy to see the difference in quality under stress testing. Just compare our relays to our competitors. High endurance means our relays withstand repeated and prolonged use, ensuring long-term reliability. Experience more uptime and safer operations with Littelfuse Solid-State Relays. Our cutting-edge solid-state relays are used in a variety of applications. End costly downtime with our high-quality components and consistent performance. For more information, click the link in the description below.